Hi, I'm making this little video to show you how I handle grading the first essay, the first two essays really of the semester in transfer level English composition. All right, so Oscar gave me permission to share with you our process. This happened during this summer. I would say about a third to a half of my students don't pass the first essay, but I never put in a failing grade. I never input like a 25 or a 30. I don't. Instead, I send a message to, I comment their essay and I send a message to them directly through the inbox saying, I want you to revise. You have 5 days or whatever I give them. And that's what I did here. So I comment the essay, and just so you have an idea of how much I comment, I'm going to kind of flip through this. His problem was that he didn't have a thesis. And so his structure was not in order. He doesn't have a lot of grammar problems, but I did mark things like that too. So that's about how much I comment. And then I just, I copy and paste this comment over to an email. And I have started doing something which I highly recommend. It's easy to do once you get the hang of it. I've been making videos and with screencasts and putting them in YouTube and providing a link. So let's have a look at the video I sent him. All right, so you can't hear my voice on this video, but you can see that I put his essay with my comments up on the screen, and I just kind of walk him through my comments, and it works really well. The students seem to appreciate it a lot, and I think it's a more direct approach to revision. So I gave him 5 days. He resubmitted on the 17th. He still had some structural problems, but he passed 36 out of 50. He had a thesis. He didn't have a thesis the first time. So essay 2, I expect he's going to have a thesis, and his body paragraphs will back up that thesis because now he knows. All right, let me show you Marianne's process for essay 1 also. I don't know if I already said, but I don't always make videos. I only make them, I try to give students the kind of feedback that I feel like they need, right? And sometimes a video I feel is really just exactly what's needed. And in this case, Marianne, I sent her 2 things. I sent her a video and I sent her an essay outline. And I'm going to show you in just a second, but first you can kind of see her writing is clear in terms of grammar and stuff. It was her structure that was a little confusing. So, let's see, go over to here. So I made her a video, and I also copied and pasted, or I just downloaded her essay, I guess, and made some notes in it. So let's have a look at this. This is what I sent her in that attachment. First of all, so this is her essay. I suggested a possible revision for her thesis. And then up here, I suggested a structure. And this is her first essay. So this kind of work, I feel like, really pays off for the rest of the semester. The first part of her thesis, I indicate with these little comments over here, corresponds to her first body paragraph. And the second part of her thesis corresponds to her second and third body paragraphs. And that's how I do it.